Hey.
There.
Hi, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a brief 5-year video on a fellow that came into us wearing a toupee. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And so this is for this, and he's about my age. He came in looking like this with this hairpiece on. And then when he took his hairpiece off, you can see the skin's all irritated there. All right?
Yes.
And we did 2 cases on him. One right after that, and then one a year later. And we put a total of, I think, 4,800 grafts in his head. And he looked good. This is him after the case. And then he just emailed me in 5-year pictures, which is this.
So a 5-year update.
5-year update. And so look carefully. The top picture is his 5-year update, and the lower picture is him wearing his hairpiece a number of years ago. That's a pretty good job, don't you
It
think?
does look good, yeah.
Yeah. And so we're real proud of results like this, and he's got really dense donor hair, but it's skinny hair, but you pack it in there tightly, and it grew, and he styles it, and
Looks good.
has a professional job here in the DC area. If we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.